Can you see? I revealed the address a little bit. God damn it. Okay, we're opening it. We're doing the openings. We'll set it here. I will set it here.
RAM.
More RAM? No, it's not more RAM. It's from ToolSmart. Okay. So we got ToolSmart. ToolSmart. Okay. We ordered a blower. And I ordered a blower and one of those.
Or something for CPU upgrade.
No. It's for cleaning the CPU. Cleaning the PC. Because 24-hour live streaming is not easy, guys. Okay. You need to clean stuff. Oh my god. Look at the packaging on this. And screwdriver set. Because I needed screwdrivers. Some illicit documentation, I guess.
Oh. Let's go.
Illicit documentation. Oh my god, it's evil inside. What is it? Wait, did they miss the screwdriver? No, they did. I did. Let's open it. Wow. Where is the screwdriver set? Is it inside it? The shit is this, bro? Where is the screw set? Is it inside it? What is this? ToolSmart review my ass. I mean, nothing. Maybe it's inside it. Maybe they put it inside it for, safekeeping. They didn't know what to do with the whole situation. Oh my god, I need to cut this. Well, at least we got the blower though. Even if we didn't, if they scammed us with the screwdriver set. Oh my god, these scissors are L. God damn it. Mom, I'm on TV. There it is. Blow driver. Total smart maximum blow dry. Yes. Blow away your problems with the Total Smart. Sponsored, not sponsored. Oh, they did add it. Yes, it's inside.
Blow dry.
Whoa, it's so fancy, bro. Look at this. Holy.
Did someone say blow?
What? Divasies? Oh, look at this. It's so fancy, bro. Oh my god. I love it.
What?
I love it. I love it.
Lag.
I love it, bro.
Bruh.
I love it.
E.
Oh no,
E
we're not
bro,
lagging. We're not lagging. Like in the thingy, we're not lagging.
E the blow.
Yeah, E the blow. Wow, so fancy.
E it.
What the hell? Ooh, it's like a little mini portable thingy. So you put it on like this. I don't understand.
Yeah, big laggers.
Yeah, am I missing something? Big laggers. Yes, it is big lag. Oh, you spin it like this. Like this? But where is the the back? Oh shit! Where is the back stick? Oh, it goes inside it. Wow! But where is the stick with it? Like, do you need to get a stick? What is this? This is so L. Like, this is so L, bro. Do I get like a handle with it? What is this? Oh my god, it's a scam, bro. It's so small. They didn't even tell me how big it was. I got tiny hands, though. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. How do I get... Oh, great. Now I'm stuck trying to unopen it. The blower arrives. Whoa! Is that HVAC system? Amazing. Oh, it looks like it's a sick blower, man. What in the world? That's a sick blower. Oh my god.
I
And
just
it's...
came to see what's up. It's almost 3 a.m. here. I was busy doing lash tail till now I am going sleep.
Okay, okay, have a good night. Look at this.
Does it blow?
It does blow. It do be blowing. What is this, bro? It's got like a vacuum thingy with it as well.
SUS.
Well, yeah, this is what this is the one I needed. The rest of them are just useless.
Don't use it to blow everything. Why so much hose, bro? Dude, L brother, LOL. Could cause injury.
Why does this spin? I don't get it. Oh, so this is suck. Whoa, if you can want it to suck or if you want it to swallow, you can just change this direction orientation.
Why do you need a blow dry?
Yeah, I need it for my hair. No, I need to clean my PC. There it is. Should we run a test? Yes.
Oh.
It's on inhale
Blowing,
right now.
sucking, wow, 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 wow.
Yeah.
TOC.
Yes. Oh shit. Oh, there it is.
OnlyFans. Plastic sounds incredibly cheap. Plastic blowing and sucking of things, lash tail, lashtal.
What is happening? I have no idea. Man, the blower is sick, man. The blower is sick. Love it. Love it. So, my verdict of the blower is amazing. The blower is great. The blower is amazing. It's got power. It attack, it believe. And yo, Mr. Wilson is up. And we got the screw set, yes.
Okay, bye laters, gators, maters, skaters, go slip.
Okay, see ya. But which I'll have to understand. Because it's too small and I don't get it. Okay, bye.